Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to make some extra cash this summer, you've come to the right place. Today, we're going to share with you the 15 top side hustles that can help you earn some serious money while enjoying the sunny season. So, grab a pen and paper, and let's dive right in. Side hustle number 1. Rent out your space. Number 1 on our list is renting out your space. If you have an extra room, a vacant garage, or even a parking spot, consider listing it on platforms like Airbnb or Spot Hero. Many people are traveling during the summer, and they're always on the lookout for affordable and convenient places to stay or park their cars. This can be a great way to earn passive income. Side hustle number 2. Freelancing services. Are you skilled in writing, graphic design, programming, or social media management? Freelancing is booming right now, and you can offer your services to clients worldwide. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are great platforms to start your freelance journey and earn money doing what you love. Side hustle number 3. Dog walking or pet sitting. If you're an animal lover, consider offering dog walking or pet sitting services. Many pet owners are busy during the summer months, and they're always in need of reliable and trustworthy individuals to take care of their furry friends. Spread the word in your neighborhood or join websites like Rover or Wag to find clients near you. Side hustle number 4. Create an online course. Do you have expertise in a specific field? Creating an online course can be an excellent way to share your knowledge and earn money. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable allow you to create and sell courses on a wide range of topics. So, why not capitalize on your skills and make some extra income? Side hustle number 5. Start a YouTube channel. Speaking of sharing knowledge, starting a YouTube channel can be a rewarding side hustle. Whether you're passionate about beauty, gaming, or cooking, YouTube offers a platform to showcase your talents, build an audience, and monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise. Side hustle number 6. Virtual assistant. Many businesses and professionals are in need of virtual assistants to handle tasks like email management, scheduling, and research. If you're organized and have strong administrative skills, becoming a virtual assistant can be a lucrative opportunity. Websites like Zirchel and Upwork are great places to find virtual assistant gigs. Side hustle number 7. Delivery driver. The rise of online shopping and food delivery services has created a demand for delivery drivers. You can sign up with companies like Uber Eats, DoorDash, or Instacart to deliver food and groceries, or even consider working as a rideshare driver with platforms like Uber or Lyft. Side hustle number 8. Rent out your car. If you have a car that you don't use every day, consider renting it out through services like Turo. People who need a vehicle for a short period can rent yours, and you can earn money while your car is not in use. Just make sure to set clear guidelines and verify the renter's identity for security. Side hustle number 9. Photography services. Do you have a passion for photography? Summer is a great time for outdoor events, weddings, and family gatherings, all of which require professional photography services. Build a portfolio and offer your photography skills for hire. You can market yourself through social media platforms and local directories. Side hustle number 10. Start an Etsy shop. If you have a knack for crafting or creating unique products, starting an Etsy shop can be an excellent side hustle. Whether it's handmade jewelry, customized clothing, or personalized home decor, Etsy provides a global marketplace to showcase and sell your creations. Side hustle number 11. Rent out your equipment. Do you own expensive equipment like cameras, drones, or audio gear? Renting out your equipment to fellow enthusiasts or professionals can be a smart way to make money. Websites like ShareGrid and KitSplit facilitate equipment rentals, ensuring a safe and secure process. Side hustle number 12. Gardening and landscaping services. As the weather gets warmer, people are eager to spruce up their gardens and outdoor spaces. If you have a green thumb, offer gardening and landscaping services to homeowners in your area. This can include planting flowers, mowing lawns, trimming hedges, and maintaining gardens. Side hustle number 13. Fitness instructor. If you're passionate about fitness and love helping others achieve their goals, consider becoming a fitness instructor. You can offer outdoor workout classes like yoga, boot camps, or personal training sessions. Spread the word through social media and local community groups. Side hustle number 14. Become a tour guide. If you live in a tourist destination or a city with historical significance, becoming a tour guide can be a fun and educational way to make extra money. Research interesting facts and local landmarks, and offer guided tours to visitors who want to explore your city. Side hustle number 15. Affiliate marketing. Last but not least, affiliate marketing is a popular side hustle that can generate passive income. Join affiliate programs of companies whose products or services align with your interests or content. Promote these products through your website, blog, or social media platforms, and earn a commission for every sale generated through your affiliate links. And there you have it. The 15 top side hustles to make extra money this summer. Remember, with a little bit of creativity and determination, you can turn your skills and passions into profitable ventures. So, choose the side hustle that resonates with you the most, and start making some extra cash this summer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more money-making tips. Catch you next time.